In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store not downloading apps or not opening problem in Windows. If you're experiencing issues with the Microsoft Store not downloading, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the problem. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you fix it. 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable and reliable internet connection. Weak or unstable connections can disrupt the download process. Try getting closer to the router or resetting it if necessary. 2. Update Windows and Microsoft Store. Make sure that both of your Windows and operating system and the Microsoft Store app are up to date. Outdated softwares may lead to compatibility issues that affect downloads. To update Windows, go to Settings, Update and Security. Check for updates. To update the Microsoft Store app, open it. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then click Downloads and Updates, followed by Get Updates. 3. Clear Microsoft Store cache. Clearing the cache of the Microsoft Store app can help resolve the issues caused by corrupted cache files. To do this, search for WS Reset in the Windows search bar and run it as an administrator. This will clear all the cache data for the App Store. 4. Temporarily disable antivirus or firewall. Antivirus software and firewall settings may sometimes interfere with the download process by mistakenly identifying store-related files or process as threats. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall and see if the download works. Remember to re-enable them afterward for continued protection. If the above tests don't resolve the issue, you can try additional troubleshooting methods, such as resetting the Microsoft Store app, running the Windows Store app troubleshooter, or creating a new account to check if the problem persists. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.